Hello everybody, getting the porch changed over to Christmas time. Let's go ahead and call this one. We'll test everything that goes on the front porch. So we'll do these C7 bulbs, the stars, the bell clusters, the lighted snowflakes, stuff like that. We'll call that all front porch stuff. So I've got these all wired up and populated. So I've got an orange one out. And I got a blue one out. And that is it. Just two bulbs are burned out, so that's not too bad at all. I can handle that. So we'll get a couple of replacement bulbs and repopulate those. Well, here's my horde of interior coated block logo GE bulbs. So I need a blue one and an orange one. We'll see if those are good. Okay, we're all good now. I've got them temporary at full brightness, and they are quite bright. But we're all going, and I'll get those set to the appropriate brightness. Probably about there will be sufficient. So those are ready to go. Let's check out the 20 Santa novelty set. As you recall, I retired the set from 1995. I found an identical set from 1996. Same manufacturer and everything. And they work. No surprise there. So those will be ready to go up. Probably going to put these up last because I want to keep the UV off of these blow molds as long as possible. Up next, let's try the holiday time 4-count snowflake. These I'll go ahead and put up today because they're kind of up under the porch and they don't have a issue with the UV rays like the other stuff does. And then this strand that's attached to them is the D33 Merry Brights and then the D26 Merry Twinkles. Let's see what these do. Looks like these are fully functional and ready to rock and roll. Well, I got those snowflakes out here to the front porch, and when I plugged them in, there was, what, 8 bulbs burned out. And here's what they look like with the D26 and D33s from GE. So this section's all ready. I guess next we can check on the stars. Got the snowflake set working, so let's move on to these folding stars. See what we get into this year. Let's give it a shot. Looks like we're not working at all. I was starting to think last year I may have to relamp all these. We'll see if we can get it going. First time one of these has failed to light. There we go. Not a problem for the Light Keeper Pro. see what we got to work with here. I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 3 bulbs out. So I'm going to go with the 2.5 to 3.5 volt bulbs. Let's see, we got 1 bulb out there. Another one right there. And I saw a third one. 1, 2. Oh, right up there is the third one. So I'll get those relamped and I'll come back when that's done. And all the burned out bulbs are replaced in this first star. I'll go ahead and go out there and hang it up. We'll come back and work on the next one. Let's see how the second star is doing. If it'll work, or it's going to need a little zap as well. Here goes nothing. And that one doesn't work either. How about that? So we'll give it a snap of the Lightkeeper Pro. See if we can revive this one. One click. So let's see how many bulbs are out in this one. Got one out there, same exact spot as the other one. That's interesting. Got one out there. So 2. There's 3 out. So that's interesting. Both stars had the same exact problem. Both needed the Lightkeeper Pro to get them going. And both had 3 bulbs out. So I'll get these bulbs swapped out and we'll come back. I have a small correction. This one actually had 4 light bulbs burned out, but minor detail. It's all going once again. So probably during the off season, these are going to get relamped. Now let's check on these GE snowflakes. We'll do the smaller one first. This one goes on the Grand Marquis side of the carport. Hopefully it works. Oh, heck yeah. Indeed, it fully works. So, go put that one up and come back and do the random sparkle one, which goes on the 81 Chevy side. Next, let's check on this 102 light random sparkle snowflake. This one's had issues in the past. Let's see what it does this time. No kidding. It just simply worked. So that's good. And they're random sparkling, alright. So let's go get this put up. Let's move on to the bell clusters. Here's the one that goes to the left of the front door. Uh-oh. Do we have a bulb out this year, or is it just loose? Just loose. It initially gave off a thunderous twinkle, but I had hit pause and didn't catch it, so that's my bad. That was a good one. There they go. Both going just fine. I'm going to go ahead and give them a quick wipe down. Let's take a look at this one. This is one of the ones that go on the front porch there by those porch lights on the front of the porch. This one's a slightly newer one, I think. And then we got 2 out of 3 here as well. Uh-oh, I think my last nice twinkle bulb went out. Well, how about that? Korea. Yep, I can see the filaments blown out. 120 volt Korea. Let's see what I got in here. Got some vintage-ish twinkle bulbs, probably from the 80s. And there it goes. They're all a-twinkling away. And I still got one of those loud twinkle bulbs in there. Once in a while it'll hit pretty hard. It's this one. So that one's good to go. Let's check out the older one. See what happens when I plug it in. See the difference in the plug there? All three light. We'll come back when they all go. Listen to those go. I think what I'm going to do is go get my microphone and my wireless mic and put that right by these bulbs to get a full effect of it. I'll be right back. We'll see if that mic picks that sound up. It's been a long day, and this test here is going to wrap up the video session. So once again, this has been getting all my porch lights and decorative lights going. So once again, thank you for watching.